Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how you can add your own custom font to Squarespace. Here we are inside Squarespace. In order to get a custom font on Squarespace, what we need to be doing is adding some custom code. So click on Pages, locate Website Tools, and come into the Custom CSS section. Down in the description, there's some code which you need to be copy pasting here. So I'll just paste that code in. And as you can see, we now have some code, and this code is going to help us with achieving a custom font on Squarespace. We have some things here though. First of all, we have the font family name. This is not really important. You can have this as whatever you like. The name doesn't need to be specifically the font you're using, but it's always nice to do that, and I will show you how we can do it later. So basically what we're going to be doing is uploading the URL to the font here and then targeting the font down here with this code. So first of all, let's upload the font. So click on Custom Files, then this, and upload the custom font which you have. In my case, it's this one. You can see that now the custom font is added to Squarespace. So come into the code again, click in between those two brackets, click on the custom files and then the URL is going to be populated within the code. And as you can see already, the custom font is inside Squarespace. What I want to be doing then is just copying the name of the font into those two to make it a little bit better and a little bit more understandable. And then, as you can see, we have now achieved a custom font in Squarespace. What you can also be doing here is targeting different types of text styles. For example, if you only want the H1 to have that custom font, we can do that by taking it out. Maybe we only want the H1 and the paragraph, then we can do it like this. And also, finally, if you want to have two different custom fonts in Squarespace, for example, one for the headers and one for the paragraphs, simply what you want to be doing then is copying this code, pasting it again, uploading that new font, and then do this code a little bit different about what you're going to be targeting. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it useful, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you want me to build your Squarespace website, links are down in the description. And as always, have a great day.